Hello everyone. Today we will see uppercase, lowercase and propercase functions in Excel. So let's start. This is the dataset we'll use for this. Previously we concatenated the text. Now we will do uppercase, lowercase and propercase of text. So to do uppercase means if I select this text, all the letters of this text will be in capital letter. So to do that, type upper, double click on that, then select the text, closing bracket, enter. You can see all the letters are converted into uppercase. Now if I drag across this, all the cells value are transferred into converted into uppercase. Now I want to do lowercase. So there is a function called lower. Selecting this. One thing I want to say that i- if you type the function in small letter, even in that case it will work. So now select the text. I'm selecting the text, closing bracket. You can see I selected this text, and all the whole of this text is converted into lowercase letter. If I drag, then all the values will be changed accordingly. Now proper case. What is proper case? Proper case means the first letter of the first name and last name will be in uppercase and the remaining will be in lowercase. So let's see the example. PROP. We can see this. We can double click on this, or we can press tab key from your keyboard. Tab. Okay. Then proper function is activated. Now if I select the text, closing bracket, enter, you can see the first letter of the first name, that is J, and the first letter of the last name, that is W, is converted into uppercase, and the remaining are remaining stayed in lowercase. If I drag across this, all the values are changed accordingly. So this is how we can use uppercase, lowercase and propercase functions in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.